Hi there. May I have a couple of minutes of your time to remind you of the fun of asking the question, why? When you were little, you asked it all the time, and hopefully your parents didn't say because one time too many, and that killed the fun. Because asking the question why is one of the most important things that you can do. Why do numbers have their shapes? Simple question. You use numbers all the time. Why do the numbers that you use all the time have their shapes? Number 1, number 2, number 5, a 10. Why do they have their shapes? You could write the number 1 like this in Rome, or in this in China, or you just slashes and dots. The number 2 in Rome, slashes and dots. Number 5, the Romans used a V. The Romans used 2 V's for the number 10, an X. Right? By the way, look at the slashes. It starts getting hard to count. Why did these numbers win in the battle of which numbers we should use in counting? And you know what? No one knows. Some people say if you look at these numbers, each number has in it exactly the value of the number. Look at this. The number, this shape, has 1 angle. This shape has 3 angles. This shape has 8 angles. And the number 0 has 0 values. Asking why is important, but you don't always get an answer because no one knows whether or not these are the original shapes or not. People point to this shape of number 9 and say that doesn't make any sense. You're forcing it. But asking why leads to one of humanity's greatest strengths, because when you ask why, you can say why not and create. Now, if you think this is important, share this with your friends. See if they, agree with you. See if they ask why not. My name is Mike for the Be More Better team. Please comment, like, subscribe, write, the usual things. But always, always be more better, body, mind, and spirit. And then be even more better by getting your friends to be so too. This has been a pleasure. I've enjoyed this today. I look forward to the next one. Bye now.